here in the Pocono Mountains in Pennsylvania, and I'm about to make a right turn onto Route 611, also known in some parts as Sullivan's Trail. It's a major highway through the Pocono Mountains. It's one of the oldest routes through the Pocono Mountains. And I'm about to get on the highway. Well, here I am. I'm on the highway now, 611, southbound. And this is a section of highway that's been under construction for quite some time now. But they're actually almost finished. And this section is pretty well finished and might actually be all the way finished, but we're not here to talk about that. What I'm here to talk about is a phenomena that has occurred that has made this what I call the Moaning Highway. When you drive down this stretch, there's something about it that this eerie sound comes up through the bottom of your vehicle, and it sounds like someone moaning or crying or like wind howling in the distance. Listen very carefully and you'll hear what I mean. And that's about it. If you were listening, or if you want to go back and listen closely, around the 1 minute and 30 mark, and I believe around the 2 minute and like 15 to 30 mark, were the two loudest points in this phenomena that can only be explained in something in the highway is causing the tires to do this. I don't know. But it goes both directions. It goes both directions. That stretch of highway, no matter which direction you travel, it makes that noise on that stretch. But this way, southbound, the noise is louder, and right towards the end, it repeats itself. It's not a different noise every time. It's the same noise every time. So it's a very strange phenomena, and check it out. It's just north of Swiftwater. If you notice where I started at a place that sells ham and eggs in a pan. It's some kind of restaurant. And I traveled southbound until I came to Swiftwater. That's where it is. So check it out.